Hey people, guess what? I'm back. Crazy guy in my motorhome. I was away for a couple of weeks. Had to temporarily fix some of the things that Mother Nature did this to me for. But at the end of the day, it's okay. Life sucks. See? You never know it. I am getting a little bit of a gap up here. A little bit. It's getting a little easier and easier to floss. And ready to do some water picking. Give it a shot. Still a little sore in spots, but not too bad. Oh, just about done. I actually got home and Hetty had bought me a nice plug-in style water pick with a bigger tank, so that I don't have to keep filling the little tank here, because basically I waste a lot of water trying to get inside as clean as I can up under here and up over here all the way around, and I can tell I'm getting a little bit more of a gap up on the top, because when I come up inside like this and clean towards the front of my mouth with my lip, I can feel the water now coming through. And occasionally when I'm talking, I can feel the lip fart happen a little bit, but not too awful bad. And now I can pretty much easily, as long as I'm not trying to make a video, get the floss through without any further assistance needed. I still have a little difficult on the sides, because the sides and towards the back right in here, it's still very close. I have a little swelling going on still. You know, hell, it's 2 months later. As a matter of fact, just the other day was 2 months. No, today is 2 months. I got 2 more months and then I can eat real food again. I am so looking forward to that. Let's see here. There you go. That was painless enough now. I think I lost all my stitches, or at least I hope I did. I don't feel them anymore. And the lighting in this place is not the best of lighting. Hell, alright, come on, Rick. Come on, get it in. There you go. It's always because I'm trying too hard. There we go. And the top was always the problem child for me. I never really had a problem getting it in on the bottoms. These things have a tendency to get a little hook in them. So I just use one side and then I go for the other side. It's a little more straight. We'll see how this one goes in. I was just looking at one of the screw tops. I guess I never really looked that closely at it, and it just looked funny, a little odd. And there we go. Got a whole lot easier. It's amazing the things that happen when you go home. You learn to do shit. But then we'll just run the water pick one more time after we loosened everything up that we missed the first go around, and we'll see how it works. You like that shit? Good stuff, huh? Now the toothbrush. I preloaded it this time. Oh, what's that? And that's just my little toothbrush holder. And now we just go in. Now for my rinse. Gotta love that sound. Oh, it's great. Hey, look at that. We're only at 12 minutes, and I wasted time here tonight, too. But don't they look good? They look good. They feel good. I still think the roof of my mouth is not done yet, because I have some soft spots and I have some hard spots. The hard spots primarily before were right where they put the posts. I could feel around where the post was with that thing in my mouth, you know, this thing, that flat piece of skin that just moves around and touches everything in your mouth and drives you nuts. And every now and then you wind up biting on the corner of it. Yeah, that thing. I can still feel some soft spots, but I can feel spots where the roof of my mouth is finally becoming accustomed to being exposed to everything. Because I found, after so many years of it being covered, it was very sensitive to just about everything. Hot, cold, food, hell, even peanut butter. Peanut butter was driving me nuts there for a little bit. But everything's good now. I'll put some more pictures, because I took some pictures of up inside, and I'll upload them with this video. Have a good night, people.